shifted to Quest and Aditya Birla, it was a whole complete transformation from there because according to the accommodation, all the PF, I mean, there was a lot of transformation according to the benefits and everything. Yeah, so as I was, in the startup company, there was no clear-cut communication. When you're in a startup company, everything is informal, right? So there is no clear-cut communication. There is no goals or anything. You feel like you're just doing whatever anything is coming in your way. So when you come to a formal and organized association, there is communication, there is, efficiency, there is uh, production and everything, all of that.
We can go to women colleges where we have to educate the women what are the benefits if you work in the organization like WES and all. They have to make a note that what are the company will provide the benefits, extra benefits, because I was studying in degree. I was not aware of extra activities what in the organization will conduct and all. So once we educate in campus how the workforce is there, they also get educated and women empowerment also will be growth.
ಫಾದರ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಫಾರ್ಮರ್. ನಾವು ಹಳ್ಳಿ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಬಂದಿರೋ ಅಂಥವ್ರು. ನಮ್ಮ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಹತ್ರ ಆಗಿರೋ ಪಾಲಿಟೆಕ್ನಿಕಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಓದ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದಿರೋದು. ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಬಂದಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ನಾನು ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಏಜಿಂದನೂ ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್ ಬಂದಿರೋದು ಅಂದರೆ ಫಾರ್ ದಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಬಂದಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ. ಬಟ್ ಮನೇಲೂ ತುಂಬ ಗಾಬರಿ ಆಗಿದ್ದರಿಂದ, ಬಟ್ ನಮಗೇನು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ತುಂಬ ಸೇಫ್ಟಿ ಫೀಲ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಬಂದಿದ್ದೇನೆ ತುಂಬ ಕೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದರು ಅವರು. ಆ ನಂಬಿಕೆಯಿಂದನೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಟ್ಟೋಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಬಟ್ ತುಂಬ ಸೇಫ್ ಸೆಕ್ಯೂರ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀವಿ ನಾವು.
ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್.